Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today I have a POV, my GoPro over there, hello, and my camera over here. These two I'm going to be set up as a time-lapse to show you guys that I'm going to be installing the fairings onto the bike. If you want to see the video how to uninstall them, I'll post it up right here on top. But if you want to see anything in particular, let me know in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, guys, if you like this kind of content of DIYs and fixing up the bikes, working on your own bikes. But let me know in the comments, guys, what you want to see in the videos. But yeah, today I'm just gonna do a time lapse on those two. I have the POV on myself, so this is gonna be regular. But today I want to get this done. It's gonna take me at least an hour, but I want to get this done so I can start writing. It's been a while and it's too long of not writing. Plus the season's coming to a close. I got like a month left before it starts getting too cold. So alright guys, let me get this going and installing the fairings. I'll be probably starting from the back, from the tail section first, then the front, then the center. That's pretty much how it goes. You take apart from usually from the center out. So alright guys, let me get this started and install the fairings. Get this on. my actual GoPro burned out. Alright guys, the GoPro just died on me. My replacement's in the house, but yeah, you guys, like I said, bike is done, finished. If you want to see something else on here, let me know. Like I said, I was gonna say, I got a new windshield for that. Like I said, I got bar end mirrors for this, of videos I'm gonna put out. I got, I believe, yeah, I got a tail like cover for the back here. It's gonna look pretty good. The color of the bike is gonna be the same, maybe matte black. I'm gonna probably do a matte finish, plexi dip, or ordering a new set of fairings, because overall it's looking kind of bad here, because you can see a huge bubble here from ABS cement, scratches here, scratches, big ass scratch over here, a minor scratch here, it's broken right here. Just minor stuff, but well, we'll see if I will do a plastic dip or ordering new fairings. But for right now, it's okay. Oh yeah, I forgot about this part. The bottom here, it's kind of dinged up right there, or scratched up. So we'll see how's this will end up. But yeah, guys, my GoPros are dying. My first one died already. But yeah, guys, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what else you want to see. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm just gonna finish up right now, put some stuff away, then I'm gonna go ride, buy the headlight bulbs, then just enjoy the bike. Then after that, probably gonna go to work. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.